everyone here in Brazil, it's the same. Every place in the world is the same. There are much more chemical process engineers leaving the university than jobs being built or being created. That's the truth. So if you choose chemical process engineering because you would have a job guarantee after university, sorry, that is not the way that the world works too. It's not the way the world works. However, from 100 people that finish the graduation, how many people do the things that I mentioned to you here, improving their inner self, improving their skills, technical skills, and improving their social skills? I believe that less than 5% of people do that. So what you should do, instead of blaming that there are no positions available in the market, I know persons from India that get positions as fresh graduates in India. So you need to evaluate which you need to do to get a position. You need to connect with people that already work within the industry. You need to focus on the field that you want to work to, because when you left the university, you are a generic engineer. You know about everything and you don't know how to do anything. And as I told you here, just to mention, we have research and development, we have plant design, operations, process safety, and quality. Which of these, I know that when you finish the graduation, you want to get a job no matter where it is. But you need to understand that how much expertise you have in a field, the chances to improve your chances of getting a job increases. So if you want to work with plant design, you need to have the sets of skills asked for the companies in plant design. And you need to add that to your resume, and you need to be able to talk about that in an interview. So stay aware about that. Eventually, while you are searching for a job in a specific field of expertise, you keep in touch with, yes, Miracle Morning. That is the book that I recommend you. I am reading twice right now. That is the way that I recommend you to do. Less and less opening position will be available, but more and more people want to deal with people and improve your skills on that area, and that will help you to get a job in the technical field.